Hold up. Yeah.
Swirl.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Спать хотим, уже не можем. Начинаем. Ready, steady, go. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's go into the forest. Stop. Hurry up, we're late. Step on the gas. My tank is empty. I can see a gas station. I can see a traffic light. Step on the brake. Sharp bend, not so fast. Slow down. Rough road. My tire is burst. My tire is flat. Let's change the tire. Let's go. It lasts when the forest. I like it here. I can see a bluebell. Where is a butterfly? Where is a ladybird? Where is a dragonfly? The sun shines in the sky. Let's go into the shade. Let's go into the the pine. It has got cones. Watch out for spiders. Ouch! It hurts. I told you so. Let's get out of here. I want to sit under the birch. It has got leaves. Watch out for bumblebees. Ouch! It hurts! I told you so. Let's get out of here. I want to sit under the oak. It has got acorns. There are no bumblebees. There are no bees and bird. Little bird, look at me. I have got a bird house. Come and see. Little boy, under the tree. I like your bird